Hi, Namaste. Today I am going to demonstrate how to make improvise harness. So for example, somewhere I climb on the top of the hill or top of the building, but I can't descend because the way is very dangerous. So I have a rope, but I have not harness. So that time, how to make the improvise harness by rope? Let's go. So first I have the rope. So at first I measure the rope 5 to 6 meters. Now I'm going to measure the rope at least according size to person you can measure. So now I'm going to measure 5 to 6 meters. So first 1 meter, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I make this double. You see? So now I'm going to make from this triple pole line. So at first you can twist, so just twist the rope. See? Just twist. And this top you insert inside. So it's this like, and you take this one and insert. Not completely. So this is the two leg loop, and this for the waist. So this one, so now I'm going to this top. I insert from this side and go this side. And you see, so I have a 3 loop, this for waist and this double loop, this for 2 leg. Now you can see this is for waist and these two for 2 leg. So it becomes like that. So I come in this near. So this is for waist and this one and this one, this is for 2 leg. So now for this one I put on the waist. So at first I put this for my waist. You see? And this one here and this one here. So pull up, up, ta 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 ta. So you see this one for the leg, this also, and this for the waist. So this short one go behind from here, and you can bring here. So here you can twist and just twist and insert the rope and just make a loop, and this rope you can insert, and you can this rope put out here. Yes, here is pole line knot. So stopper. So now the harness is ready. Now you can descend. This one and this.